Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today's episode we have this family of tiger attack on these cute and lovely farm animals. So let's rescue all these farm animals. So our first animal we have this goat. Goat is a farm animal, herbivore farm animal. This goat is very muddy now. Let's wash him. Goat is clean now. And let's see what we have next animal. Let's pick this beautiful rooster. A rooster is a herbivore animal, farm animal. So this rooster is very muddy now. Let's wash him. Rooster is clean now. And our next animal we have this donkey. Donkey is a farm animal and this donkey is a herbivore animal. Let's watch this donkey. Donkey is clean now. Very beautiful. Let's see what we have next animal in the mud ground. We have this, a beautiful sheep. So this sheep is another farm animal. Let's watch this sheep. Sheep is clean now. Very beautiful farm animal. And now let's pick this one tiger, and this tiger is a wild cat, a dangerous wild cat. This tiger is very muddy now. Let's wash him. Tiger is clean now. Tiger. And our next animal, we have this beautiful duck. This duck is a farm animal and this duck is very muddy now. Duck is clean now. Very beautiful. And our next animal we have this beautiful cow. This cow is very beautiful. Let's watch this cow. Cow is clean now. Cow. And our next animal, let's pick this tiger. This tiger is a wild animal and this tiger is very muddy now. Let's wash him. Tiger is clean now. And our next animal we have this sheep. Again a sheep, but this sheep is in white color. Let's watch the sheep. Sheep is clean now. Very beautiful white sheep. And our next animal, we have this fastest running animal, horse. Let's watch this horse. Horse is very muddy now. Horse is clean now. And our next animal, we have goose. A lovely farm animal, goose. This goose is a bird. Let's watch this goose. Goose is clean now. Very beautiful goose. And our next animal, we have this cow. A very beautiful farm animal, cow. Let's watch this cow. Cow is clean now. Very beautiful. And our last animal, we have this big giant tiger. As you can see the size of this tiger. Let's watch him. This tiger is a very big sized toy. So let's watch him. I think we did it. And this tiger is clean now. Tiger. So friends, we have watched all these animals. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel.